Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw yellow from Roblox Rainbow Friends. So let's get started. To draw this cool monster, let's first start by drawing the beak. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to draw this big dome-shaped curve all the way across. Nice and round. And we're just going to stop about the same level. And then from there we're going to come in here and we're just going to curve up slightly towards the center and come down. And then do the same thing on the other side. Then we're going to open up the mouth. So let's come right back to where we started. And just going to give myself a point. Let's say about right here. Nice and big. I'm going to give myself a point right there. And I'm going to go down to that point, my center. And do the same thing on this side. As I'm drawing a little bit bigger, it just makes it easier for me to know where I'm going. So now that I have that, let's come back in here for some details. I'm going to come in and just give this little bottom part here a little border at the bottom of the beak. And then from there, let's start to draw some teeth. So I'm going to come to the top right here and just zigzag my way across. Whatever you can fit, and at the bottom as well. So I'm just simplifying it. I think the original has like a couple rows of teeth, right? Pretty scary. Then from there, let's we're going to put in a little tongue right here. So if you have enough space, you can just add this curve right in about here if you want some more details. And I'll just come in here and shade this all in black so you can see it a little bit better. There. And then let's come back to the top right here. Find this area in the center. We're going to add two little slanted lines for the nose. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So we're going to come about, let's say right here. Just going to draw this oval, nice tall oval that touches the top of the beak. So same thing here. Nice and high, just like the other side, and in. Now I'm going to add a little highlight right here, so just add a circle and then I'll shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. So then from there, let's go above each eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then now to draw the huge head. So let's say about right here, the center of my beak, I'll just give myself 2 points. Go right across about right here so I know where the other side goes. And I'm just going to draw this big circle oval shape. So let's go ahead and, you know, it's easier for my hand to come down. So I'm just going to find my center, and let's just say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to start my oval circle. So whatever is easiest for you to create, you start at the bottom, at the top, and I'm just going to bring it all the way down to that point I made. So nice and round there. And then let's go up. And we're going to come right back down like the other side. Try to match my other side. And bring it in. There, nice and round, right? Okay, so we're done with the head now to draw the little body. So we're going to come right where the beak is again. And towards the bottom right here, just going to give it a little neck. So a little curve, and then we're going to come out and come out for the shoulders. But before I finish the shoulders, let's kind of imagine, just give yourself a little space for where the little wings are, and I'm just going to come about right here where the armpit area would be, and I'm just going to start to draw the body. So I'm going to curve this down and nice and round to about right here. And connect. There. nice round little body. And then we're going to come about right here and draw the legs. So a little drumstick right here, and then the legs, just bring it out a little bit thinner right here, and then a little bit wider, and then the feet. And let's cut it off right here. So same thing on this side. There, and I'll just come in right here, just give it a little curve, just a little detail, give it some volume, and then the little wings. So let's come out, and we're just going to curve down to about right here, round off the tip, and then bring it right back up. And same thing here. And that is pretty much it, except I'll just add a heart right here. I couldn't resist since I have some space to make it my Draw So Cute yellow from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I really hope you love how this cute monster here turned out, this big little chicken, and just as much as all the other monsters I've drawn so far from Rainbow Friends. Please check out that playlist, and thanks again for watching. And if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.